Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Art for Kids. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw a bird. So first, as usual, I'm going to sketch out the outline. So this is like the face. And then I'm going to do the body. And then there's going to be the tail. Next, I'm going to draw the beak. And I'm going to position my feet. It's like a triangle coming down. And then there's one more line. And then I want it to be perched on a branch, so just drawing the outline for a branch. And then add some. So this claw. So next, I'm just outlining the position for the eye. Adding the wings. So now I have like an outline for the bird. The next step is I'm going to add some value. First, I'm just doing the eye. So try to add texture to it, like a feather texture. So I'm gonna go around. That's how the face. I'm trying to add the hairy furry texture all over the face. Bringing it down to the neck. So if you can notice, I'm going along the shape of my face. So make sure that your pencil is sharpened for doing this. If not, you can just change your pencil or sharpen it before continuing. So the closer you add these lines, the more realistic it will look. But again, since this video is intended for children, I'm not going to do too much details. I'm just going to darken the claws a little bit. And then just do the tail. And then shade it out. And there you have a bird. I hope you all like this video. Please try it out at home. And if you need any help, just leave me a message and I'll answer back as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.